guys, so today, bit of an unusual thing we're doing. So, in the UK, they're going to be testing their emergency broadcast system, and I wanted to see if it goes off on my VR. But first, I need to go set up my phone to record so I can have the VR and phone side by side to see, are they similar? Will the VR even have an EAS? So, let's go and see. Alright, let me go do my phone. I'll edit this out, chat. Alright, so now I've got my phone set up. You can't really see it, but I'm holding it here. So now my phone's set up. Now let's just wait, goof around here, I guess. How do I change all this? It's really ugly. I don't like it. Da, da, da. Da, da, da. This is due to go off in minutes. Oh, my phone's not working. Never mind, we can't do the phone then. I'll do the phone. I'll do the phone last minute. Like as it's going off, I'll take a screenshot or something. Okay, so sorry for all this, guys. I won't be able to do the phone and VR side by side. I'll just be doing the VR for now. Just gonna. Alright, so only phone, only everything. How do I change all this? I don't like this. I facility reset my video. Hey guys, whilst I was editing this video, like right at this point, I've set a bookmark here. It went off again. Like, it went off at 3 o'clock, and then it went off again. What is going on? We are like 3 months ago because it was having an issue where it wouldn't update. So, how do I change all this? And also, how do I get the new one of this? Look. It's all old. Where's the one where it's all see-through and everything? It looks really cool. Where is it? I love using hand tracking. It's like the best thing ever. Don't know why I don't make more videos of it. Bone Lab. Okay. Alright. You know what? Whilst we're here, open taggers. Are we seeing this? Are we dead? What is all this? Spatial smartphone, right? Dude. Is this game any good? Let me know, is it any good? I really want to get that. I really want to get that. I need that. I need it. I want it. Gimme. Okay, now let's stop goofing around. Serious mode. Let's do this. 2 more minutes. It might go off on here. It might be my phone. If so, the video just ends here, and I put a little bit of text that said, yeah, one pop. Let's actually open Google to see if it'll be on Google or something. Google. Google, yeah. Let's Google it though. Will emergency you know let's see if it will be on VR. Isn't it supposed to happen? It's supposed to happen. R/Oculus Quest. They should definitely test this on VR. It's going off. It's going off on my phone. It's going off on my phone.